Hi friends, if you are looking for a beautifully designed advanced social networking WordPress theme, your search ends here. In this video, I have Beehive social network WordPress theme. It is a wonderful theme in this category, and this is going to be 7th video on this channel showcasing the social network WordPress theme, and this one is really good. Beehive I have seen and I find it for you, and this theme has been developed by the Thunder team and it was developed in 2020 only. This is a new theme and it is being regularly updated as well. So Beehive has many stunning features like news feed, photo feed, video feed, and all these things are available in this theme. And the best one is the instant chatting option is available with this theme, which is essential requirement for social network websites, as I assume. And it has easy installation and it has 3 home pages. I will show you the home pages as well, and social templates are available in the theme, and many advanced features has been given in the theme. And this theme uses Elementor page builder. This is another advantage with this theme, as this is the new development, so it is having all the advanced feature according to the latest trending technology. And this is the landing page of Beehive WordPress theme, and I'll show you the demos. This is the demo 1 and it is having a really professional look like a social networking WordPress website, and it is not like a WordPress website. In fact, it is simply giving a look of social network site. Platform is not so important because we are targeting to develop a social networking site, and WordPress give you a wonderful options in this regard. And this is home 2. It is having simple, and first one was having video background, second one is having simple look, and this is the third look of Beehive WordPress theme. This is the third home page and it has all the features like in social networking website, so you can choose this theme without any doubt for your networking website. And this theme also supports the e-commerce activity. You can use this theme for your e-commerce activities as well. And I'll show you some pages like network activity pages here, and this theme works very fast. The loading speed is very fast with this theme, and I'm sure you are going to get a wonderful website, social networking site with this theme. And you can choose any of the home page available with this theme. Pre-built websites are here. So in this video we are going to install the Beehive WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content and preview the theme options along with the customization options of this theme. And this is really wonderful, and I found a very good theme. This is why this theme is here on this channel, and I am happy to record this video in fact. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress with the latest version of WordPress, and the 2021 WordPress theme is installed in this. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have icons, installable theme, in which I have the main theme file and the child theme file. Licensing plugins are here. Some plugins has been given as a bundle of this theme, change logs and docs. So let us check the change log. This is the latest release which I have. It was released in 2nd February. Okay, sorry, 12th February. So this is 8 days back when I am recording this video. This is the latest version. And okay, so let's begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose the beehive.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the theme in the WP content theme folder. I'm doing the same. It will save some time, and both activities are same. Don't get confused. Either you can upload from WordPress interface, and either you can upload directly on your server. And the theme size is very less. It is a lightweight theme. It is just having 3.12 MB in size, so it will definitely work fast on the website as well. This is why the website is working very fast, and I have seen the code quality of this theme schema, and the code commenting is very good, and the theme has been really developed with the ease of technology, and the UI UX interface is also very good. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, then go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Beehive folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folder and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. And now go to the theme section of WordPress again. And now we have Beehive as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Beehive version 1.3.5.1. This is version 1.3.5.1 with standard theme, and the most attractive and advanced social networking theme on the market. Okay, fine. So we can activate it now. And upon activation, we got landed on the welcome page of this theme. This is welcome to Beehive, and this is saying everything what we do next. And first of all, we need to install the plugins, required set of plugins. So we will go for installing the plugins. Just click on install plugins, and these are the list of plugins required and recommended for running this theme. And I am going to install all the plugins, not only required ones but even the recommended ones, as I have to showcase all the features of this theme. And you can choose not to install the recommended plugins if you really don't want to use them, but I am going to install all to showcase all the features, and I will choose to install all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one to avoid errors. And if you are in plan for taking hosting with the WP themes, you shall be getting the same capacity server, so rest assured you will be getting a good one. And all plugins has been installed now, and all installation and activation has been completed. All plugins and installed and activated successfully, it is simply showing. And now we can go to the dashboard. Whether it needs any further customization, it will come on the screen, and else we will be fine to go for next. And it is getting redirected on the WooCommerce setup wizard. and for the time being we can skip the store details, and it is fine to go now. So everything is fine now. This theme uses the Redux framework, which is really a wonderful framework for WordPress theme development and WordPress development. And this is going to another technical advantage with this theme. And since we have already installed the theme and plugins, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the Beehive theme. And this is the basic look of Beehive social networking WordPress theme without any demo content. And of course, if we want to make a target website like this one or any of these home pages, so we have to import the demo content now, and this is going to be our target website. So I'll definitely go for the demo content at this stage, and the demo content option is available under, and I'm just looking for that. So it is laying under import demo data appearance sections. So just click on import demo data under appearance section, and this theme uses the one-click demo importer. And something went wrong, try again later, I don't know what is this. And this is demo 123, which is ready for the import, and you can choose any as per your taste and as per your requirement. I'm choosing the first one. Just click on the import demo 1 and yes, import. And now the import demo data is started, and we have to wait on this page as this activity imports all the media files, folders and files for the demo website, and it will certainly take a bit time because it is a connection based and it is dependent on your server capacity and the developer server capacity. So we have to be here on this page. Don't try to leave or refresh this page until the process gets complete. You will reach on this screen. The demo data has finished, but there are some import errors. So white logo is not here. That is not a problem, and we can assume that the demo import process has been completed successfully. Now we can check our website, and I assume something good is loading up, and yes, it is really. So everything is here, and we got a wonderful social network website in this activity, and the target website is here. And now we can randomly check the pages, and all pages are here, and no activity data is here, so it definitely needs activity data. The installation process is complete, and we got a wonderful social media website, and this is demo 1 version. And as I said, this theme carries the messenger, instant messenger option. It is also here, so we need to configure all such things. Now I will since we have completed the installation, I will take you through the theme options, what is additional in the WordPress installation now. And this is the Beehive option. I'll show you this, the theme options, and let us first check the Beehive system status, and all such things are here. Let us go through the theme options. and these are the theme options actually, and it is broad in fact, and you can social template, logo, you can change the logo from here, navbar setting, typography, color selection, and you handle the colors used in this theme with this interface. And it is really great thing that this thing gives you privilege to handle all such things. Sidebars are here, title bar, page setting, blog setting, footer setting, social links, body press, RT media, job manager, classified, redirect and restrict and import export. So everything is here, and you can use these features to handle your website. And now we will go to the classifieds. So all classifieds are here, and you can use this screen for adding classifieds on the website. And rest things are common. Job listing is additional thing, so we'll take you the all jobs. This is the job listing, and this theme also offers the facility to list job options, and you can of course use all these features. And rest things are common in this theme in the installation. Buddy chat is here, so it is also good that buddy chat options you can set from here, and messenger box title, and this is the chat setting option. And rest things are common, all emails. Okay, so email options is also here, so we can handle the received and email templates from here. This is also very important, what message you want to convey to your channel users and your website users, you can handle from here. So everything is fine with this theme, and we got a wonderful website in this activity. And this is our target website, and this is complete now, and just need to put your original content and you will be fine to go. And you might have some question regarding this theme. Don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video. And I'm also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme, and even the hosting options are there, so you can choose to have only theme or the theme with the hosting plan, and pre-installed demo website will be available with that hosting. And you can directly interact with me using that link given in the description of this video. And I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I'm going to bring actually wonderful themes and plugins, utilities for you. Stay tuned. Thank you.